Have you ever felt completely drained by the end of the day, not physically but mentally? Like your brain just can't make one more good decision? You might find yourself staring blankly at a menu, unable to choose what to cook, or impulsively buying something online you don't really need. This isn't just ordinary tiredness. It's a real psychological phenomenon known as decision fatigue. Decision fatigue is the idea that our ability to make good choices deteriorates after a long session of decision-making. Every single choice we make, from what to wear in the morning to what email to answer first, consumes a bit of our mental energy. Think of your brain's decision-making capacity like a battery. Each decision, no matter how small, drains a little bit of that battery. As the day progresses and your battery depletes, your ability to exercise self-control, focus, and make rational choices diminishes. This can lead to procrastination, impulsivity, and simply making bad decisions. This phenomenon affects everyone, from busy professionals to stay-at-home parents. For example, a study found that judges were more likely to grant parole early in the day, but as their mental energy waned, they defaulted to the easier decision of denying parole. In everyday life, this might manifest as choosing unhealthy fast food after a demanding workday because the effort of cooking feels too overwhelming. Or perhaps you find yourself scrolling endlessly through social media instead of tackling an important task, simply because the decision to start feels too heavy. Decision fatigue is a silent drain on our willpower and mental clarity. But understanding decision fatigue is the first step to overcoming it. The good news is that you can reclaim your mental energy and make better choices consistently. Here are several practical strategies to combat decision fatigue. First, automate small decisions. Observe highly successful people, and you'll often notice they simplify their daily choices. Think of Steve Jobs wearing the same outfit every day, or Mark Zuckerberg with his identical gray t-shirts. They deliberately reduce the number of trivial decisions they have to make, saving their mental energy for more important matters. Identify 3 to 5 small daily decisions you can automate or simplify. This could be planning your outfits for the week, preparing your breakfast the night before, or having a set routine for your morning coffee. Second, prioritize your decisions. Tackle the most important and complex decisions when your mental energy is at its peak, which for most people is in the morning. Don't leave critical choices for the end of the day when your brain is already exhausted. Schedule your most critical thinking tasks and decisions for your decision prime time. Third, create routines and habits. Habits are powerful because they reduce the need for conscious decision-making. When something becomes a habit, your brain performs it almost automatically, conserving valuable mental resources. Build consistent routines for common activities, such as your morning routine, your workout schedule, or your evening wind down. The less you have to think about these recurring tasks, the more mental energy you'll have for novel challenges. Fourth, take strategic breaks. Your brain isn't designed to make decisions continuously. Just like a muscle, it needs rest to recover. Incorporate short, deliberate mental breaks throughout your day. A 5-minute walk, a few minutes of meditation, or even just stepping away from your screen to look out a window can help recharge your decision-making capacity. These aren't breaks from work. They are breaks for your brain. Finally, prepare in advance. Spend a short amount of time the night before preparing for the next day. This could involve meal prepping, laying out your clothes, or making a clear to-do list. By making these small decisions when your mental battery is still relatively full, you reduce the number of decisions you'll have to make when you're already fatigued. By implementing these strategies, you'll notice a significant difference. You'll make better choices, experience less mental exhaustion, and have more energy for what truly matters. You'll free up mental resources for creative thinking, problem-solving, and enjoying your life. Start by implementing just one of these strategies today. Notice the difference it makes in your mental energy and the quality of your decisions. What's one decision you're going to automate or prioritize this week? Share in the comments below.